Let's go give this old IKEA dresser a new look. We got this from Facebook Marketplace for free. It has some minor dents, scratches, and the bottom drawer is not working properly and the drawer glide must be replaced. So let's begin. Flex ko lang tong Black Dagger Matrix na hiniram natin kay Bilas. Maangas yan. Let's start with removing the drawer boxes and then lightly sanding the surface. And remove the hardware like this drawer glide.
And
what?
sesame face.
What sesame? Keep on sanding.
Bye-bye.
Sanding the surfaces until it becomes dusty like this, and then wipe off all the dust. What's funny?
Coughing dance.
What coffin dance? Okay,
Coughing dance.
keep on sanding. Keep on sanding.
And-
Sanding.
And tornado.
What tornado?
Tornado. Hi guys.
What? Hi guys. Let's prepare our working area.
And
We're going to paint
America.
later.
we're going to paint later.
Yan. We just
Tornado.
flip the
Flip
bottom
the
of the drawer
bottom in the drawer.
and staple it.
Staple it. What's staple?
Staple.
Coughing dance.
It's not coffin. It's drawer boxes. Now we are ready to paint.
Eh, bakit ang laki?
We're straining the paint and
Di.
testing it.
And touching it.
Testing.
Papa, anong color ba yun?
White.
Papa, baka na-draw mo purple yun eh.
Ah, white yan ha.
Kala ko purple. Yes, to be purple eh. Ayun na purple. Hi guys.
Now we are ready painting. I'm using
What's that?
Kona brown.
Ano?
It looks purple at the beginning, but when it dries, it becomes brown.
Papa, ano yung hawak mo yung black?
Wala lang, para hindi tumalsik yung paint.
Papa, parang yun yung sa...
And then we begin painting our dresser. Sa tenga. May sumilip. Ayun si mama. Break time. Kain muna tayo ng sardinas.
Sana.
Ayun, I'm eating sardinas.
That's
Yummy.
mama.
Habang hinihintay mapatuyo yan.
Sana. Baka
Waiting to
suswingi
dry. Now it's dry. We're ready for the second coat.
Listen ko ko!
This is the color when it's wet, and this is the color when it's dry. Kona brown. Lightly sand before our last and final top coat. Here I am returning all the hardware that I removed. the drawer knob, and the drawer glide. Remember the broken drawer glides a while ago? I had to replace it with new ones. Now time to return all the hardware that we removed.
No!
What are you doing?
Water power!
Go talaga.
Yes!
And that's it. Now we have a fully functional old IKEA drawer. Thanks for watching.